Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. Today we have to see algebra problem 81 cube minus 81 square is equal to. We have to find the value of this. This is the Indian algebra mathematics problem. So let's start the solution. Eighty-one cube minus 81 square equal to. How we can write 81? 81 we can write 81 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 4 times 81. So we can write here 81 equal to 3 raised to the power 4, right? This is the regarding to 81 information. Okay, so now we have to see now equal to. How we can write 81? 3 raised to power 4 raised to the power 3 minus 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 2. Now here we can use the one of the formula, that is a raised to power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. This is the algebraic identity which we have to apply while solving this one. Now how we can solve this one? 3 raised to the power 4 multiply 3 minus 3 raised to the power 4 multiply 2. Next, equal to 3 4s are 12. 3 raised to the power 12 minus 3 raised to the power 8. 4 2s are 8. 3 4s are 12. Then here we can write 3 raised to the power 12 is 3 raised to the power 8 into 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3 raised to the power 8. How we are written this? 3 raised to the power 12 is equal to 3 raised to the power 8 into 3 raised to the power 4. In this way we have written this. Now take common here 3 raised to the power 8, 3 raised to the power 8. Take common 3 raised to the power 8. So here remain 3 raised to the power 4 minus 1 equal to 3 raised to the power 8. How we can write 3 raised to the power 8? 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 2 in bracket 3 raised to the power 4 minus 1. Now 81 raised to the power 2. Here we can write 3 raised to the power, that is 81 minus 1. That is 81 we can write like that 80 plus 1 whole square. 80 plus 1 whole square and here 80. So we can write this. Here we will apply one of the identity, that is a plus b whole square identity we will apply here, equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This identity we can apply 6400 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2ab means 2 multiply 80 into 1, 2 multiply 80 into 1 into 80. Now here 6400 plus 1 plus 2 8s are 16 means 160 plus 1, that is 161 into 80. Now 6400 here 6461 here 60. 60. 6,000 total addition if we will do, we get 6,561 multiply 80 equal to 5,24,880. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer. So let's recap this one. If you like this video, so you can like, share and subscribe the channel for getting more such type of videos. Answer here is 5,24,880. 880. Thank you for watching the whole video.